We might be crazy. Are we crazy?
Yes, we are pretty crazy.
It is misty and rainy and horribly muddy.
About 45 degrees.
I think so.
It's pretty cold.
But we wanted to find waterfalls, and we can hear the waterfalls, so we're going to find it.
Maybe
not tonight.
No, probably
Maybe
not tonight.
in the morning. But we will find waterfalls. And it's muddy out here.
That is some serious mud.
Glad we didn't try to drive down here.
Yeah, me too.
It's almost otherworldly. Well, hello, we made it to our campsite and it is still raining. Not too hard, but it is raining, so we don't really want to be sitting outside a whole lot. So we're just relaxing in the tent with no sleeping stuff in here, just relaxing. It's a little bit tight, but it's just fine.
It'll be our first time my first time to eat dinner in this tent. Yours too? You've eaten dinner in
I've never eaten
larger
dinner
tent.
in this tent, no.
Have we
Eaten
haven't
dinner in
eaten
a larger
breakfast
tent.
either, have
I
we?
think we've done breakfast or coffee or something.
We've done coffee.
Yep, we've done coffee, maybe not breakfast. But vestibule doors are open. It is like 44 degrees outside, and in the tent we just measured the temperature and it's almost 48.
Yeah.
Like 47 or 48, so it's not bad in here at all. Very comfortable. And we're a little crazy, but we know that.
We are.
So we'll have fun with it. We'll enjoy our hot cocoa and dinner in the tent. We survived.
Barely.
Barely. It's just a little chilly. It got down to 27 outdoors, but when it was 27 outdoors, it was like 35 toasty in here.
Oh, something like that.
Toasty, right?
No, not toasty. It's still cold.
Getting up in the morning to use the restroom is the worst. And of course, the worst part of camping is having to get up in the morning. But now we're hungry.
Very.
So let's have some coffee and some hash brown casserole.
Sounds good.
And enjoy breakfast and then go find a waterfall. Well, we enjoyed an amazing breakfast of hash brown casserole and amazing banana coffee from Double Shot that smelled incredible. You did something a little different with yours.
I did. I like to make a trail mocha, and so I will mix a hot chocolate packet with coffee. Usually I do it with, average or terrible coffee, but this time I did it with good coffee, and it was even better. It tasted like a banana mocha. So good.
Pretty amazing. So it's beautiful out here. It's sunny and gorgeous and very cold, but it's beautiful. So we will enjoy the hike. of blowover through here. This looks like a tornado location. There's too many trees for this just to be average wind.
They all look like the same time, not in different.
Right, and they're all in the same direction.